Okay guys, if you've made it this far, we are in day 3 of unboxing Thredup mystery rescue boxes. I already did half of this one the other video before this, but the denim is sent in 2 boxes and I didn't want to bore you with a super long video, so I decided to do the other half now. And spoiler, it was a great denim box so far, so hopefully the other half of this is great. If you're new here, I'm Samantha and I go by Thrifty on a Dime on all my social media platforms. I resell things online and in person. So this sounds like something that interests you. Be sure you do subscribe and hit that little bell icon. But I want to go ahead and get started and share what's inside of this box. And let's see if I can make some money and maybe you want to purchase one too. So if you hear something in the background, my cats are going crazy in those boxes. I've already done 3 of these mystery boxes so far. So they're playing in them right now because I didn't break them down yet. Okay, so this is kind of how it looks. Let me see if I can get it up here for you guys. They send it with some tissue paper on top, and then bam, it looks all pretty and stacked nicely. I went ahead and weighed them this time because I didn't weigh them the first time and I just took their word for it. But I was really curious how much they weigh because I'm like, did they really do just 50 pounds or did they do it shy of 50 or did they do more? Spoiler, they did more. It was like 28.3 for that one, the one prior, and then 28.2 for the one I'm currently about to do. Now that was using my bathroom scale because I didn't want to go get my other one out. My business one, it was downstairs. All right, these are cool vintage 36 Wranglers. So they didn't take them because they're men's. I don't do bad with Wranglers, and these look like really nice jeans. So probably list those myself at 15 to 20, and I'm sure they'll sell at that price. Next is just universal thread shorts. And there is one small stain, so if I can't get it out, I will just list it myself at a discount or donate. All right, these are just universal thread, kind of like a mustard brown color, and they're in really good condition. That's not a stain, is it? They're in really good condition, so I have a feeling these will do really well. I may just sell them directly to Style because I do get a good price there and I'm not going to get much more selling them online. So this will be what it'll be comparable. So if they're going to list them for 18, I get a third of that. So, and they typically list all their jeans at 18, 14, 18, you know, those price range. So a third of that would be about $3 to $5. Maybe a little more. I am okay with that because I would probably only list these at 15 and get maybe 10 online. And if you know Posh, it'll be $7.05 after fees. And that's if I didn't send out an offer on them. If I send out an offer, it's going to be less. So again, is it worth my time for a few more dollars? Or should I just sell it directly to Plato's and Style? Which I'm going to probably sell those directly to Plato's and Style. All right, these are just a pair of denim shorts. I will not end up listing these myself. They're just Gloria Vanderbilt, and they're missing a rhinestone on this side. I'll just redonate those. They're not in bad condition. It's just not something that I would have in my closet or sell to Style. All right, universal thread cutoff shorts. These are a size 0, so I'll just take them directly to Plato's since they're a smaller size. Van Heusen pull-ons, and they're in okay condition. Again, this is probably one that I'm not going to list myself and take directly. Hopefully they'll take it so I don't have to list them myself. NYDJ Los Angeles. And they're just a higher waisted denim jean, but they're not in bad condition. So I probably just end up listing these myself at a discount. And I don't know if you watched the prior video, but I started listing on Vinted again, which is similar to Poshmark, but you don't share your items and it's lower end stuff. So more mall brands like Forever 21, Rue, stuff like that. And I listed for about $8 to $12 and it's been selling really well over there. All right, these are just a pair of Vox shorts. I have not heard of the brand. I'll look it up, but I don't think these are anything special. But they're cut off, so I think I can sell them for at least 10 to 20 bucks. These are a pair of Ernest Soon. Never heard of the brand, but they look like they're in really good condition. I think it might be a better brand, but I don't know for sure. But yeah, you always want to check the crotch too, because sometimes they have it pulled or it's really worn in the middle there. And those are not. This is a pair of Route 66 relaxed denim jeans. They probably didn't take them because they are men's, 32 by 32. But I can still list those under women's because, you know, that high-waisted mom jean look. All right, Torrid. Okay, I'm not a fan of jean jackets typically, but it is a Torrid piece. So it's a size 2 Torrid, and Torrid does really well. I just don't know. I think that's an older tag of Torrid. But again, it doesn't really matter as long as you price it at a good price. Ooh, another jacket. Bershka. I've seen this brand tag, but I can't remember if it's worth something or if it's just, it just looked nice. This is honestly a really nice denim jacket, and I think it's a men's. Maybe not, but if not, I mean, it's still going to do really well, whatever brand it is, because it's a really cute style. All right, this is Route 66. I might list them as high-waisted mom jeans. It's a really good size, and they're in really good condition. And they have the straight leg that you can cuff, you know, roll up and cuff up. Another denim jacket, okay. Please be a good brand. Funky Soul Industry. It's cute, it's distressed, it's in really good shape, so I mean, I think it'll sell. And I say I wasn't a fan of denim jackets, I meant that first style of denim jacket. That's like the early 2000, not quite vintage look. That's like, eh. But again, the first one was a Torrid, so I think it'll do okay. All right, this is a Lucky brand, but this is the Dungarees, which I think is a little bit better Lucky brand. And it's dark wash. It's got that distressed look. It's in really good condition. So that'll be an easy flip as well. Guys, I'm pretty sure there's more. Yeah, so this is going to be a lot of denim jackets, which is okay. I don't know that one. The Sailor. It's nice though. I mean, as long as it has all the buttons to it, it's a good jacket. Maybe it'll be one that I sell to Play-Dohs in Style. But again, I could probably sell it myself too. J. Crew. Okay, this one actually is super cute. And it's a size small. That's in really good condition. Yeah, the rest are just denim jackets, it looks like, which is okay with me. All right, and Taylor Loft. As long as they're not like extra smalls or extra smalls, a good size, I mean, I can definitely sell it. All right, this is just a Gap. Oh, this is cute. This is just a little kid's denim jacket, which is totally okay. I might sell this one myself because I don't feel like I'm going to get that much from Once Upon a Child, and I really do think that might sell online. So that might be a rare example of something that I cherry pick and sell for myself, because I'll probably only get like $3 at Once Upon a Child, and I can easily probably list it for 15 and sell it for 10 online, which is about double what I'll get at Once Upon a Child. So I'll just figure out what I feel like doing, if I have a ton or not. These are just Forever 21, and they're in really good condition. Minus, it looks like it has a little bit of fading right there. So, I might list as is, or I might decide to take it to Play-Dohs or Style. All right, that's it for this one, and I could say I'm happy. Not as many items in this one, just because it was a lot of denim jackets, but all the denim jackets were actually semi-cute. So I really think that they will sell pretty quickly. So if you're interested to follow my journey and see if they sell, make sure you comment anything below to let me know, as well as subscribe and hit that little bell. I can't wait to show you guys how much I make on them. Hopefully a lot. Have an amazing day.